how to clone a list on Hubspot. Now here to create a list in Hubspot, you have to follow the steps. Navigate to the list section. So here you have to go to the CRM, then just go to the list section here. Now here click on the create list button located in the upper right corner. So I will just go and click on create list. Right, so I will just write here test 1 and test description. Right now active listing, that is 0 to 10 use, and I will just go and click on next. Right now here I can just add filters or something, for example contact properties. Right, and this is how it's look. Now once I am done with it, in the left panel search whether you are wanted to create a contact based company or deal based company here. Right, so let's say I just want to do this. Right, and once I do this, you have to provide a list name required at this option of the description, and choose between active list which update. So here this is active list. Right, and here you have to choose between list name and an option description which automatically is based on the criteria on a static list, which does not update after creation. Now click on the next step to set up the criteria for your list. In the left panel, select this filter type you want to define what record will be included. You can also add filters based on various properties such as contact information or company details. Now this is how you're going to create a list in HubSpot. Thanks for watching this video.